Well, hi! Come on in. I was just about to clean my trailer. Welcome. Let me get the door. You won't believe this cute new little vacuum that I found. Come look, it fits down here in the understorage. Oopsie. It's so small, it fits in here. And it's so easy and lightweight to use, even a man can do it.
I need another beer.
This comes in 3 sections. You can use it as a hand vac. You can use it as a stick vac. Or you can use it as a traditional vacuum.
Yes, dear, I'll get round to it.
You're so helpful. It's electric, so it's got lots and lots of power. And I like it that way because if I had to recharge it every time between every single trip we take, that would be inconvenient. Plug it in here in my kitchen, and it's as easy as 1, 2, 3.
Can't hear the game.
Together in darling. And twists really easily to get in any little small crevice. Excuse me, dear. Thank you. Easy to pick up all those crumbs in the children's spills. I do love myself a clean trailer. But be careful, it's so strong. You can't do your blinds with it. It'll mess them up. Now let's see if a man can do it. Honey. Oopsie. Can you help me get my vacuum apart?
I get around to it.
No, I need it now. Here, I'll unplug it so you don't electrocute yourself on accident.
Something that's electric. I like electric things. Like electric bear repellent. That was a good investment.
You're so silly.
Well, you want us to take this apart?
Yes, 3 pieces.
Blue button. Push blue button. Part 1.
Thank you.
Oh, wait. Part 2. I'm going to get dirty.
No, you're going to mess up my clean floor. Put that back.
Is there a hammer?
I thought it was so easy even a man can do it. Maybe I'm wrong.
I'm going back to this.
No, you're going to spill all over my clean floor.
But there's a blue button.
There's going to be something.
Do it.
There's going to be something else blue if you mess up my clean floors. How long can it take the IT executive to disassemble a vacuum?
Plenty disassembled. Me?
You are so blue now. Okay, maybe not. Maybe it's not so easy a man can do it.
There wasn't a blue button.
Oh boy, there's going to be some blue button though. It's not going to be this. Would you like to finish cleaning up my floor now?
Sure.
Anyways, maybe don't have your husband help you with the vacuuming. Some things are just better left to be women's work.
He's out gardening for bear.
He's going to go make up for this.
By protecting her from bears.
Thanks for joining another episode, Wildly Graceful.